Did you think sneezing kills your brain cells? That's actually just a myth. Yes, sneezing does increase pressure in your head for a moment, but it's way too short to harm your brain. Your neurons are perfectly safe. In fact, some studies suggest sneezing might even boost blood flow and help your brain. This false belief probably comes from confusing it with serious conditions like strokes, where pressure stays high for much longer. But don't worry, one sneeze won't kill your smarts. Just don't hold it in, because that can hurt your ears and sinuses. So go ahead and sneeze freely, your brain's fine. And don't forget to share this Mythbuster.